Hey, how's it going, guys? Today we are in a brand new community of Carlton by Lennar Homes here in Henderson at Cadence. And for today's property tour, we're going to be checking out floor plan Bennett. Also, guys, if this is your first time to my channel and you would like to stay up to date with all the new construction here throughout the Las Vegas and Henderson area, tap the subscribe button below. Also, tap that bell for notification. That way, when we do upload these videos, you guys are always the first to learn about them. Now, let's get started. All right, guys, so here we have floor plan Bennett, and this is a single story home. Just did a property tour on Cooper. I'll have the link on your top right hand screen if you want to check it out. But for today's tour, we are just going to be previewing Bennett. And this one is here in Henderson at in the community of Carlton at Cadence. And this one is, like I mentioned, plan Bennett, 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom. It is 1,248 square feet, 2-car garage. Actually, I'm sorry, 1-car garage. And starting base price for this one, guys, is $393,990. That is just the base price, does not include any lot premiums or upgrades. HOA here is 103 bucks, and there is total of 3 different plans modeled, but 5 total plans available, guys. So if this doesn't work out, you do have other options for you guys. And let's go inside, check out this bad boy. So obviously you have pavers here in your driveway. There's that 1-car garage, and then the entranceway is here on the side of the house. Let's go inside and check it out, because it is hot out here, guys, I tell you. Before we do, let's enter this code. All right, so as soon as you come in, here off to the right, you have your living room area, then you have your dining and your kitchen, guys. 9-foot ceilings. This one has a nice luxury vinyl planks right here. Check it out, guys. So that's the front door we just came in, and then immediately here off to the right, you have your living room. Got your nice TV mounted on the wall. It is not real, guys. Then in between the living area and your kitchen, you have your dining room area. Then here off to the left, you have your kitchen, guys. Pretty good size island. I mean, for a house that's just over 1,200 square foot home, nice size island. Seats easy 3 people. You got the quartz countertop with that grayish, goldish veins on this quartz. Then over here, you have your stainless steel undermount sink, dishwasher. You do have the osmosis system hooked up. What they will do is they'll give you the basic filter system, but if you want to upgrade it, you have that option. So at least they give you that hookup, which is pretty nice in my opinion. And I do recommend upgrading it. That way you're not always buying waters and you have your own drinking water. Stove, microwave. This one has the white cabinets. Let me check real quick. Are they soft close? Let's give it a test. And they are not. So this one has the backsplash. Oh, now that I mentioned that backsplash, really quick, guys. So here with Lennar, like I know I mentioned that price, it doesn't include your upgrades. The good thing is the only thing you could upgrade is going to be the countertops. It's going to be your flooring, your backsplash, the color of the cabinets, and pretty much everything else, guys, is going to be standard what you see with this home. The most expensive thing is going to be the flooring, guys. So if you do, depending on what flooring you go with and you do it through the whole house, that is going to be your biggest upgrade expense, which I recommend. That way you don't have to deal with it later, to be honest. So I can't go to the backyard, guys, but I'll show you from here. They keep them locked, unfortunately. But here's a quick, you know, I guess you could say as there's just modeling inspiration. But when you do buy a new construction home, guys, keep in mind, you're not gonna get these pavers, the artificial grass, none of that. You're just gonna get a clean slate, just dirt, and you do have typically 12 months to complete your backyard per the HOA, guys. So just something to keep in mind. That's an extra expense you have to be mindful when you do go the new construction route. But so far, here's your living and then your great room area. So now let's go check out the bedrooms. So here to the right, we have bedroom number 1. Pretty, I mean, it's, I guess you could, let me just stand. I mean, they kind of have it really well staged, and it's hard to, it's not your biggest room. I would say it's probably about a, honestly, like a 10 by 10. But I could be wrong, guys. It's just me eyeing it. Then right over here is your bathroom, currently being used, as you can see, public bathroom. So I do apologize, but here's your single vanity, your toilet, then your prefabricated combo stand-up shower. Then right here immediately, you have your laundry room. So it's the stackable washer and dryer. And you see right here, guys, it does say optional, guys. So you will have the option to purchase it with an R, but if you do have a great agent on your side, guys, they can negotiate that with you. No promises, but at least give it a shot, right? Then here's your smart panel box. And before I forget, guys, if you guys are enjoying this property tour, like, subscribe, and tap that bell for notification. And then here's the second bedroom. What do you guys think? They have it staged like an office. Really nice. Definitely do love those cameras hanging on there. Pretty cool. Now let's go check out the primary bedroom. As we head over there, guys, if you guys are thinking about purchasing a new construction home and you want to have a good agent by your side every step of the way, guys, it's recommended having outside representation for the builder. That way we can negotiate the best deal possible, get you the most possible for closing costs, buying down the rate, washer and dryer, stuff like that, guys. So if you are planning to come, guys, super important that we do come with you at least on that first initial visit. Because if you do come and check out these new builds, register, now they have your information, and now they're gonna say that, hey, you showed up when you registered, you didn't put an agent. So by default, we're gonna have our agents for the builder represent you. So just a heads up, guys, a lot of people don't know. They'd be like, oh, remember, I thought you were busy on a Sunday, so we went. No, that's not the case, guys. At least let me know. Sometimes what we're able to do is call the builders. Don't count on it, guys. But we could probably call like, hey, I'm actually out of town or whatever, and my clients are gonna go. We could do something like that, guys. But here is your 2-car garage. Lock, we're not, actually 1-car garage. We're not gonna check that out. So now, over here is the primary. So check it out. Then here is gonna be your walk-in closet. So your primary bedroom is over here. You got your walk-in closet here, and then your primary bathroom is gonna be over there. But here's definitely not your biggest primary, but decent size. Then your primary bathroom. You got your dual vanity sinks. Got your can lighting above. This one has a nice tile here. Got your toilet and your stand-up shower, guys. So there it is, guys. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think of this floor plan. Does it work? Is it a deal killer because of the 1-car garage? Are you okay with the 1-car garage? Let me know anything in the comments below. And if there's anything in the world I can help you guys out with, if you're looking to buy a new construction home, resale home, looking to sell, whatever, guys, I could assist you with that. I have my contact info, description below. Don't hesitate to call, shoot me a text, email, whatever's best communication for you. And like I do in all my videos, guys, if you guys enjoyed this tour, do me a huge favor, like this channel. That way helps push out this video, and subscribe. That way it helps me grow my channel. And if you don't want to miss any future property tours, then tap that notification bell. That way, when I do upload these tours, you guys receive the notification, and always stay up to date with all the new construction here throughout the Las Vegas area. Until next time, guys.